Microsoft Word has several options for the placement of numbers within your documents. Numbers can be placed on the top or bottom of your document, aligned left, centered, or aligned to the right. We can also place numbers on every other page or leave the first page of a document blank and start numbering on the second page. Open Microsoft Word to a new blank document and click on the Insert tab. First, let me show you how to simply insert a page number in a document. So, click on the page number icon, and then notice we have the different locations where we can place the page number. We're just going to go with top of page, and notice this menu will pop open, and you can align it to the left, and it gives you an illustration here. You can have it centered and you can align it to the right, and then there are other options in here as well. Let's go with plain number 3. Click on it, and notice not only did Word place a number on the first page in the upper right hand corner of the document, but we are also placed within the header of the document. So to close the header, we can click right here where it says close header and footer. And so now we have that page number again, like I said, in the upper right hand corner. Let's click undo, and that will remove the number. That's one way. But what if you have, for example, an assignment where you have a cover page and there should not be a page number on that particular page, and the page number should start on page 2 regardless of what number it will start on. That's a simple fix. First, we need a page break. Click on Layout, click on Breaks, and then click on Next Page. We've been taken down to page 2. Notice down here in the bottom left hand corner it says page 2 of 2. And if you double click inside the header of page 2, notice we have section 1, section 2. We have 2 different sections here, but they're still connected. So whatever I type in this header will appear in the header above. So we don't want that to happen. We click on Link to Previous, which is this icon here that's highlighted. Click it one time, and now we can insert a page number here without that page number appearing on the first page. So now let's go to the Insert tab. We're going to stay in the header of section 2. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Page Number. First, we already know we can position this page number wherever we want it to be. But let's format the page numbers first. Let's understand, how do you format the page numbers. Click on Format Page Numbers. And so you have your different formatted page numbers here. If we click this down arrow, notice the different options you have here. You have your regular numbers, you have other options, you have ABC, lowercase, uppercase, you have lowercase Roman numerals, a lot of different options. We're just going to stick with the regular numbers, and notice the other option we have here. We can start the number at page 2 if necessary, if we don't want it to start at 1, okay? And then we can click OK. And so that we formatted the number. But let's go back to the page number icon. Click top of page. Move over here. Let's come down to plain number 3 and click on it. And so now notice we have a number in the upper right hand corner. Remember, we're on page 2. It's in the upper right hand corner of page 2. If you scroll all the way up, no numbers will appear here on the first page. You can have multiple breaks within a document, by the way. So if you needed another break in this document, I would come out of this header. Let's say you needed another break, such as for a bibliography page or a works cited page. You would just simply go back to Layout, click on Breaks, click on Next Page. Double click inside the header, click Link to Previous. Notice it put a number there. We don't need that number. We're going to highlight that, come out of this header, and then we can type, bibliography here, or whatever, if it's works cited, whatever writing style you're working with. And I'm going to scroll back up. This is page 2, which would be the body of the paper. Remember that number starts there. So if we were to add more pages here, let me click in here for page 2. If we added more pages, bibliography is here. Actually, it doesn't look right. Okay, there it is. Now, so the bibliography is still there. That's page 3. This is page 2. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to go to Insert Page Break. And notice I added another page. Now this number is 3. Go back up here. This is page 2. See the number there? There's page 3. Where did the bibliography go? It's down here. It will stay an individual page by itself because we put in a section break. So that's how you add these page numbers in, and you can manipulate and format these page numbers in Microsoft Word.